Hello, thank you so much for joining this video tutorial. This is lesson 3, UFT data-driven testing for beginners. In this lesson, we will build a file structure. File structure will help us to make it easy for team members to know where to find or add information. We will build a file structure. I am building the file structure in this directory. In real world, it should be shared drive. I'm just doing it locally. I have some problem with the shared drive, so that's why I'm just temporarily doing it in the C drive. But please try to say, I think it's better to save it in the shared drive. Basic file structure of a DDT project, data-driven testing project. Again, this tutorial is for beginners. I have very simple file structure here. Automation test script folder. This is the folder where we will be storing all the test scripts and test cases. That's where we will be writing all the manual test cases, traceability metrics, test results. This is where UFT automatically will export the test results to config file. That's an Excel file. This is where we will be listing all the scripts, directories, and other configurations needed. Driver is a VB script file, which job would be to execute the automation scripts for us. What about the test data? You might say, where is the object repository? Test data object repository will be stored within the corresponding test script folder. Because we'll be creating a script by recording, object repository will be added under that specific script folder. Also, for that specific script, we will use UFT data table where we'll be preparing the test data, and then UFT data also, that data table also will be stored under that specific folder. So under each test script folder, corresponding object repository and the UFT data table will be stored. That's why you do not see any test data folder here. Object repository also you don't see it here. I have other folders in case if you like to add. In addition, if you like to add docs you can, if you like to have any sort of framework documentation, you can have docs folder. Test data, again, if you like to use any sort of shared global data, you can have it on the root directory. Any other miscellaneous, if you like to have it, you can create a miscellaneous folder. We will not implement any libraries, but if you like to have a libraries, go ahead, you can create a folder here as well. SOR, that's shared object repositories. If you like to have multiple script shared objects in shared object repository, you can create the folder here as well. So again, this is a simple framework with a simple file structure to make things as easy as possible. I guess this is it for today. This is a very short video. So thank you so much for watching this. In the next lesson, I will write manual test case and traceability metrics. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Take care.